Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your global exposure with AIFS easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create an account on the AIFS website. Visit the AIFS homepage to explore available programs. Choose the program that aligns with your interests and career goals. Review the program details, including duration, destination, and costs. Prepare your application materials, including your resume and motivation letter. Submit your application through the AIFS online portal. Stay updated on the application status through your account dashboard. Once accepted, participate in pre-departure orientations offered by AIFS. Connect with fellow participants through AIFS social media groups. Plan your finances, ensuring you account for living expenses while abroad. Research the culture and customs of your destination country. Utilize AIFS resources for tips on settling into your new environment. Consider joining local clubs or organizations to meet new people. Document your experiences through social media or a personal blog. Engage with local communities to gain deeper cultural insights. Leverage your international experience on your resume when you return. Use AIFS's alumni network to connect with previous participants for additional opportunities. Reflect on your journey and how it has expanded your global perspective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.